Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss about the server-side rendering in Next.js. First we will talk about the problem that it can solve and how we can implement this in Next.js. So let's take an example first. Suppose we have a page. There are number of products showing. So suppose the product page shows the wrong price. Okay, every hour we refresh the page. So what happened that people are coming onto that page, okay, and they are very excited to buy such products, but the price it's from 2 hours ago. In that moment, okay, it's a big problem for them. So in that case, server side rendering works, means comes into the picture. So the page is revealed fresh on every request, always showing the latest data. So I have written some code, okay, that you can see here. So basically this is app routing, and inside that I have just written a simple code. By default, app routing provide a server component, okay. So the output of this code, let me show you here, right? So you can see the output here, okay. So you can see the current time, okay. The time is fresh on every request, okay. The So now if I refresh the page, okay, you will see the latest time, right? Every time I refresh the page, you will see the latest time, okay. So this is the magic of server side rendering that Next.js provide us to solve such kind of problems. Basically it's like cooking when the order comes in, okay, hot, fresh, and never wrong. And this is just the starting of building smarter pages. Want to see how far you can push it, okay. In my upcoming videos I will discuss about more issues like this, okay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it.